Hey guys, guess what? I'm going to meet Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. That's right. I'm going to Toronto right now. It's gonna take me a couple hours to reach. This is so exciting. I get to meet the creator of GeForce and Quadro video cards. I'm so excited. This is gonna be amazing. Guys, I can't believe this, man. I'm here. I just reached. You know, I think he's waiting. You know, my friend just texted me. He's waiting inside, and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start recording once I'm gonna get to the Tim Hortons. He's waiting for me there. My friend's gonna greet me, and yeah. So we're gonna continue. I'll see you guys inside. All right, guys. I'm so excited. I'm just going to meet him right now. He should be inside waiting. My friend's inside. So let's go. Where is he?
Right here, man.
I'm so excited to meet him.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, let me present you. Mr. Jensen himself, CEO.
What is this? Is this a joke? I thought I'm gonna meet the CEO.
CEO himself.
This is not CEO. This is a video card. What's going on?
What come, man? What come?
What a dream! Whoa!
What's up, bro?
Dude! You won't believe what kind of dream I had. I came to Toronto. I met you. We were supposed to meet with Jensen Huang. You were supposed to introduce me. And guess what? It wasn't him. It was a video card. It was called titanv CEO. Yeah. It was a crazy dream. I thought I was gonna meet Jensen Huang. You know, the NVIDIA CEO. But yeah, that was crazy. And then you were shaking me and saying, wake up, wake up, wake up. And wow, it was crazy dream. I thought I was gonna meet the NVIDIA CEO, but no, it was a video card. And I thought it was a joke or something. So what are you doing? You sure? It sounds like you're doing something. Okay, whatever. Wait, so somebody's at the door. I gotta go. Okay, bye. Who are you? What is this? Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the intro video. It was a lot of fun making it. I hope I get to make more videos like that for you. So subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. You know, I wish I had the video card, you know, to actually do the unboxing video. So, I don't know. Whoa! It's here! I have the video card! Awesome! Alright, let's do the unboxing video. We got something very special to unbox. This is called the titanv CEO Special Edition, signed by Jensen Huang, NVIDIA CEO. There are only 20 of these in the world, and I am thrilled to be unboxing one of the 20. Without further ado, let's begin the unboxing. Since this is a special collector's item, I'm gonna wear protective gloves, not to damage the box or the video card itself. So let's continue.